Okay, so we're exploding sodas, and right now we're shaking it up.
Do not try this at home. Try it at your friend's house. Ah, my feet.
Don't drop it yet.
Yeah, don't drop it.
Don't throw it that hard.
This is a good camera.
Yeah, I know it is.
Hot.
I want to shake it.
There. Now Michaela gets to go. Oh. Getting hard.
Screw you.
Really hard. Okay.
Oh, this side won't. Come out of the street. The street's hot.
Oh, my feet.
They're like burning.
Can I bang on the floor?
Not yet, because it's gonna explode it over here.
I swear it can explode.
We have to do it out there. It doesn't.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Because you want it to get. If it explodes, I'm going to kill you.
Oh, it's...
Oh my God! Throw it on the floor! Throw it on the floor. Throw it on the floor now. I could fail. Wait, they're not doing it. Give it to me.
That was on the floor.
Delicious.
I want some. Is there any left?
Actually, really good.
There's some left. Yeah. Oh, that's actually really good. Alright. So this has been fun
Episode
episode of Exploding Sodas.
Michaela and Gigi Chronicles.
Yeah.